Hello everyone, this is Victory here. Today I'm going to show you the machine that we make for sound absorb room. The panel is used for the outdoor panel, and inside the box we will put some rook wool. Now I'm going to show you the production line. This is the completely line. This is finished product with angle, with clamping. This is angle, and we can see this is completely like a box. Here is angle, and here it's punching. Actually, the online bending is this unit. This is online bending unit together with here. And we can move the machine for you. Here you can check the whole unit for cutting, for bending. Now I'm going to show you the forming steps. This is the forming steps, and this is angle for regular the angle. Here you can check the angle part. We move slowly, slowly. This is the hydraulic pump. Forming steps. This is the forming steps. And you can see from the import part till here, the roller will become more widened. We applied for wall panel structure with chain transmission. And here it's online side punching. Here is the punching unit. Here is another punching unit. This is for punching, a side punch. This is side punch, punch unit, import table, and the raw material this is store the cooler for raw material. Motorized expansion. It's motorized. Here is the completely forming line. Motor, hydraulic pump, and here is the finished product. Actually, this line is together with this punching line. It's all used for sound absorber panel. In our previous video, we already show you how we make it. This is motor 11 kW, completely lined. If you are interested in this kind of the sound absorb panel, you can contact with us. We will give you the fully packaged solution. And don't forget to subscribe us in the YouTube channel, LOTOSFORMING. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.